Don't you love sharing hilarious jokes you just heard? Well, don't share them on Twitter. I'm Mara Montalbano for Buzz60, and after a comedian complained people were tweeting her joke without giving her credit, Twitter agreed the posts violated its copyright policy and blocked them. According to The Verge, Olga Lexel wrote this joke: "Saw someone spill their high-end juice cleanse all over the sidewalk, and now I know God is on my side." I paid $12 for that thing. And other people enjoyed it because they tweeted as if they wrote it themselves, with no retweet or hat tip to her. She filed a complaint with Twitter saying since she makes her living as a writer, her jokes are her intellectual property, and the people who tweeted it did so without her permission. But the joke is still being plagiarized, mostly by those who are mad at Lexel for blowing the whistle, which might not be such a bad thing. Saw someone spill their high-end juice could be the next a priest, a rabbi, and a monk walk into a bar. Buzz60. Now you know, pass it on.